Developed by Prescient, Blindsight is the simple, pre-trained AI safety system for heavy industry. By helping operators prevent plant collisions, Blindsight effortlessly protects workers in the most dynamic industrial environments. Unlike other alert systems and safety solutions, Blindsight's integrated sensor and AI software sees, understands, and alerts operators to potential hazards. Blindsight can be installed on mobile plant or fixed infrastructure anywhere. Our pre-trained AI automatically detects people, vehicles, traffic cones and objects unique to your worksite. With automatic over-the-air updates, the system is also constantly learning and improving. In-cab light, sound and vibration alerts immediately notify operators to the presence and direction of dangers in real time. And Blindsight can easily be set up for specific use cases, such as when plant is operating in reverse or inside a geo-fenced area. Blindsight even automates health and safety reporting. Videos and detection event data are available in our cloud 24/7 and can be viewed in real time via our mobile and web apps. Blindsight also logs near misses and automatically generates heat maps, previous period comparisons, and much more. Quantify safety metrics and site performance with the tap of a button. See, understand, alert with Blindsight. To learn more about Blindsight and what Prescient can do for you, visit prescient.com.